One day, a son came to his father for an advice. Dad, I can't do this anymore. He said, those lessons only exhaust me, and the result doesn't change. It must be not destined for me to play football, and my dream will never come true. The father looked at his son with loving eyes and said, you know, son, every person in life has a dream, a goal of his life. They are the ones that make us do what we are doing because it's what we should do. We have to fight for what we believe in, what we feel. In other case, you will simply break once and for all. The easiest way is to quit everything and not go until the end because the path is difficult and we are not used to inconveniences. We want everything to be easy and at once, but the wishes are fleeting. This is how a dream dies and the goal becomes unreachable. Gradually, life becomes a routine without depth and meaning. Then one day, we try to forget and start everything from the beginning. We wait for a new day to make our life different. But new obstacles come in our way and we stop again. We become full of despair and anger for our own helplessness. But you only need to remember one thing: never give up, fight, battle. It doesn't matter that you have lost one battle or even dozens of battles. Life goes on. Your biggest enemies are hiding in you: laziness, fear, doubt, indecision. Be a warrior of your dream, a knight of your goal, and a soldier of your wishes. So, this was the story with a beautiful message. Now, it's time to learn some difficult words and their meanings so that we can understand the actual meaning of each and every word. So, our very first word is exhaust, जिसका मतलब होता है थका होना. दूसरा शब्द है destined यानी किस्मत. इसके बाद easiest यानी सबसे आसान. फिर है क्विट यानी छोड़ देना. फिर until यानी जब तक. पाथ मतलब पथ या रास्ता. इनकन्वीनियंस यानी असुविधा. विशेष ख्वाहिश या मंशा. फ्लीटिंग का मतलब होता है क्षण भंगुर या कुछ पल रहने वाला. अनरीचेबल यानी जिस तक नहीं पहुंचा जा सकता या बहुत से परे. ग्रेजुअली यानी धीरे धीरे. रूटीन का मतलब होता है दिनचर्या. डेप्थ यानी गहराई और फॉरगेट यानी भूलना. बिगिनिंग यानी प्रारंभ या शुरुआत. ऑब्स्टिकल्स यानी कि रुकावटें या बाधाएं. डिस्पेयर मतलब निराशा या मायूसी. एंगर यानी कि गुस्सा या क्रोध. हेल्पलेसनेस मतलब बेबसी या लाचारी. नेवर गिव अप यानी कभी हार ना मानना. बैटल यानी युद्ध. डजन्स यानी दर्जनों. एनिमीज यानी शत्रु या दुश्मन. लेजीनेस का मतलब होता है आलस्य. फिर यानी डर. डाउट मतलब संदेह या शक. इंडिसिजन यानी कि असमंजस या दुविधा. वॉरियर का मतलब होता है योद्धा. नाइट यानी शूरवीर और सोल्जर यानी कि सैनिक. सो these were some important word meaning. Now we have a story and we know all the difficult words and their Hindi meaning. So what are we waiting for? Now it's time to practice. So this is all for now. Thank you so very much for your time. Thank you so very much for watching. For more useful videos, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe this channel. See you all in the next video. Till then, take a really good care of yourself. That's all for now. Ta-da, bye-bye.